Hi guys, so this is the most requested video I'm going to do today. How to impress a girl. I've been asked this question on live chats. Countless number of people have asked this question. They have sent DMs asking the same, but I have never seen a girl asking the same questions. I don't know why, because maybe girls are so natural with this. They don't really try to impress people. Also, the best way to impress anybody is not to try to impress them. Hear that again. The best way to impress anyone on this planet is not to try to impress them. You have to be natural. If you are pushing things, they are not going to, give the results you are looking for. So you have to understand that if you're being natural to someone, behave the way you are. Then only they're going to like you. If you're trying to be someone else, if you're trying to pretend something which you are not, so even if they like you, it's not going to be, it's not going to last forever. So there's no point. And also when you're not natural, nobody likes it. Nobody likes it. People are smart. They can, they can understand, they feel it that you're not being natural, you're faking it. So nobody likes to be around a person who is trying to fake. And impression and impressing is not something that you have to be fancy about. It's very natural. It's very natural the way you behave. Obviously everybody has their own specific things, specifications, uniqueness. So try to use that. Usually with girls, they are cute and naughty, nakhre wali and all that. They use that efficiently. With boys, I don't know what do they have and why they don't use it, but they will go on a different track that I want to impress her, I just want to do this and that. A girl can never get impressed with flowers and fancy things. All she likes is real-time talks, real-time, not just talks, real-time talks, which are natural and realistic and practical. So you have to understand that. If you're trying to push something which you are not, if you're trying to be someone you are not, so it's not going to help you ever. You have to understand that. So don't try to impress people, just be yourself. Behave the way you can. If you don't know how to initiate conversation with a girl, and after hi, how are you, so you can you can say what's your favorite music, what kind of music do you like who's your favorite singer, which kind of movies do you like. You can put up such questions, about hobbies and travel and destination and such questions. Not like cheesy lines, do you have a boyfriend, are you single, can you be my girlfriend. These are turn-offs. Like you can ask are you single and all, but this is like first step towards getting friend zone. So don't try that. Be simple, be natural, and that's how you can impress anyone, not just girls. And it does not go for impressing girls or boys. It's for everybody. If you're being natural, you can impress a 50-year-old CEO of any company. Just be natural. Okay, that's it for this video. I'm keeping it very short because I'm not well today, but still I have not uploaded yesterday also, so I thought to upload this one, and I'll try to make a bigger version and better version of the same maybe soon. Okay guys, bye, love you.